Save this video if you want to explore Sentosa, Singapore in just a day. Hi kay Gala, another day. Another gala na naman tayo at dito pa rin sa Singapore. Yes, day 2 na tayo sa ating bakasyon here in Singapore. At ang tanong ng bayan, kaya ba in a day ang Sentosa Island? Marami bang magagawa? I got you. Kay Gala, nga pala, bago ko ituloy ang video na ito at para makasave ka naman ng pera on your next Singapore trip and avail discounts on famous attractions here in Singapore, use my Klook discount code Kahigala Klook to avail up to 3 to 5% discount pa on your next Singapore adventure. Of course, first stop natin ang matry ang Sentosa Express Monorail. This is the transportation going to Sentosa Island at mabilis lang to ha. For only $4, pwede ka nang magpabalik-balik kahigala sa ibang station. At ang una nating gagawin dito sa Sentosa ay ang mag-enjoy sa Universal Studios. Again, I have a separate videos for the fun rides activities at na-post ko na to mga kahigala. Check it out in my profile. And also, if ayaw mo naman pumasok sa loob and only want to take photo of the USS Globe, it's free pala ha. Mag-want to sawa ka. But if you want thrill, enjoy the activities at the Universal Studios Singapore, from the roller coaster rides, Shrek 4D, Lights, Camera, Action, The Return of the Mummy, Jurassic Park, and many more. They also have souvenir shops at syempre, ang paborito natin, food trips. Pero kahigala, if you are in a tight budget, not recommended ko kasi medyo mahal sa loob ng USS. Pero dahil minsan lang tayo makapunta ng ibang bansa, save ka na para may pangpasalubong at pangkain man lang. May mga available food stall din sila sa labas which you can try on. Kaya napakain na rin tayo sa kanilang food bazaar. Sobrang nag-enjoy talaga ako dito mga kahigala. Kaya 10 out of 10 for me sa Universal Studios Singapore, and highly recommended ko talaga sa inyo. Just purchase your ticket via Klook and avail my discount code for less hassle na rin. Hindi ko na rin pinalagpas ma-experience ang cable car Sky Pass. Napakasulit talaga dahil it's a round trip ticket na rin ito ha. Going to the Siloso Beach, you'll witness the Sentosa Island in a different level, 360 degree from above. O, diba? San ka pa? Kung hindi ka naman matatakutin sa heights, then you should try this activity here in Sentosa. And for me, it's 10 out of 10 dahil ma-e-enjoy mo talaga at mare-relax ka. Kung pinag-uusapan naman ang heights, you should also try Sentosa Sky Helix Ride. It's the highest panoramic ride here in Sentosa. Yung parang extreme ng EK or Enchanted Kingdom, pero bar siya ha, at hindi mabilis ang pagtaas at pagbaba ng ride. You can also enjoy the view in 360 degree of Sentosa Island, bird's eye view. Ika nga, that time, almost sunset na rin ako nag-try. Kaya napaka-solid ng scenery plus very accommodating ang staff nila. Kaya plus points ka doon. At nag-explain talaga on the history of Sky Helix. By the way, meron din ditong Madame Tussauds which is hindi ko na trinay, binook dahil na-try ko na sa Hong Kong last time. If you want a beach view naman, you can take a moment and enjoy the Siloso Beach. May mga ibang fun activities rin dito like the zip line and many more. Pero hindi ko ulit trinay. I just want to enjoy the view and relax the sunset after a one full day going back to my accommodation. Instagrammable talaga si Sentosa Island mga kahigala, and it has many to offer. Kaya overall experience ko dito, excellent and highly recommended and must try when you visit Singapore. Uy, hanggang sa susunod na gala in here in Singapore. And God bless.